Hey Scorpio, and welcome to my channel. I hope all of my beautiful, my handsome, my sexy, brilliant, and powerful Scorpios out there are doing well. Alright, so Scorpio, this is going to be just a general read. I'm going to start off with some angel numbers, and we're going to see what messages Spirit has for you guys. If anything resonates, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification bell, alright? So let's go ahead and get into it, Scorpio. Scorpio, at this time, you could be seeing the numbers 31, okay? And that is letting you know that you are very disciplined at this time, Scorpio. Okay, your approach to life is an effective way of both practical and imagination. So it's like you're starting to approach your dreams. You're starting to think more in a disciplined way. You're starting to approach your goals in a more practical way, okay? Things that make sense, things that can actually happen here, okay? And also you're being able to create some things, okay? You're starting to manifest things in your life, Scorpio, because you are becoming more disciplined. So if you're seeing the numbers 31, it's letting you know that you are becoming more disciplined. And because you are now more disciplined, okay, you're starting to manifest, you're starting to think about life in a more practical or logical way, Scorpio. Now you're starting to become aligned, okay? Things are starting to align for you, Scorpio, with the number 22. So if you're starting to see this number, this is letting you know that you are becoming aligned. The universe is aligning you with some opportunities, and I feel like you're becoming in alignment for great things to come into you, okay? This talks about you have the creative powers. There's assured to you that you can achieve anything that you deserve, okay? Anything that you wish. So I feel like, Scorpio, when it comes to your goals, when it comes to your dreams, you're becoming more disciplined, okay? You're thinking about your goals, your dreams in a more disciplined way. And because you're doing that, the universe, or you're becoming more aligned for the universe to bless you with opportunities and things to come your way. I feel like a lot of you guys have also changed your perspective to things, okay? It's like your mind, it's like you want to know the truth. You want to know the depths of things, okay? And so in order to do that, sometimes you have to change your perspective. You have to look at things in a different way. You can't be, closed-minded. You have to be open-minded to see, different angles of situations, okay? And this allows you, this is what helps you grow. This is what helps you gain more knowledge and wisdom that not only benefits you, Scorpio, but it also benefits other people in your life as well. Let's pull a couple more angel messages for my Scorpios. What angel numbers do you have? Okay, so Scorpio, you could be seeing the number 18, okay? This talks about you are being kind-hearted, okay? I just said it here, kind-hearted, okay? This talks about being both open-hearted and open-minded and using your ambition as a way to leave this world better than you found it. So Scorpio, you were placed here on this earth, okay? One of your goals and one of your missions was to heal the earth, okay? You're supposed to bring something. You have a purpose here, okay? In order to walk within this purpose, you have to be open-minded. You have to change your perception here in order to be more aligned here and be open-hearted to different situations. I feel like you guys are also very adventurous, Scorpio. We ain't scared of too much. It's like you have a zest for life. You're eager to experience anything that's going to help you grow. And then also you can take that information of how you've grown, Scorpio, and also help other people grow as well. All right, Scorpio, so let's pull some messages from the Kipper deck. I haven't bought this out in a minute. What messages do you have for my Scorpios today, Spirit? Let me shuffle through this for a second, Scorpio. What messages do you have for my Scorpio Spirit? Scorpio, I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you, Scorpio. And I want to say good job and congratulations on becoming more focused, becoming more disciplined, and being able to work on your goals, Scorpio. All right, you guys, what messages do you have for my Scorpios? All right, Scorpios, so we have concern here, okay? So some of you could be seeing the number 33 here. Someone could be the age 33. But Scorpio, this talks about possibly an older man or some man here that's like in deep thought. You see how he's sitting here? Like he's very concerned, okay? So someone here is very concerned about you, Scorpio. They're worried about you. Or they could be concerned about a situation dealing with you, okay? Possibly this connection or some type of connection that you have with someone. Let's get some more messages here. What message do you have for my Scorpio Spirit? Why is this person concerned here? Okay, for some of you guys, someone could be concerned that they're thinking about marriage, okay? They could be in deep thought, thinking about maybe want to come towards you guys and get some courtship here, okay? This person could be in deep thought about maybe marriage here, okay? Or about a marriage, okay? But I feel like someone here is in deep thought. They're very concerned possibly about a marriage. And some of you guys, you could be married to someone, and maybe your significant other is, concerned about this relationship or concerned about this marriage. Or for others of you, someone here possibly could be thinking about marriage. We have bad health, okay? So somebody's here, Scorpio. For some of you guys, you need to watch your health here, okay? This talks about maybe some of you need to get some type of checkup. Someone here could be getting ready to have surgery here. You know, you're going to the doctor, but, you know, make sure that you watch what you're putting inside your body, because your body is your temple, okay? This is shrines that holds you and bodies you, okay? So make sure that you're taking care of your body, Scorpio, okay? Because someone here could be having some bad health, and someone here could be having some health problems, maybe having to heal, going to a doctor or something here. What messages do you have for my Scorpios today, Spirit? Okay. So, Scorpio, we have a official person, okay? So, Scorpio, someone could be concerned because they're thinking about making you this official person, okay? This person's thinking about making you some type of offer here. For some of you, this could be someone that wears some type of uniform. Maybe this person is a lawyer, a judge, they're in the military, a police officer. You know, he has a lot of medals here, okay? So, someone wants to make you, I feel like they want to give you that #1 spot, Scorpio. And then we have the privileged lady, okay? So somebody here sees you as living a life of luxury, Scorpio, okay? They see you as very privileged, maybe getting everything that you want. Because Scorpio, y'all know we some powerful manifestors, okay? They don't even know. They over here thinking folks just giving us stuff. Like, nah, we over here manifesting this, bro. We outside every full moon 2 and 3 days before, out here manifesting, trying to create our own reality, okay? So someone, Scorpio, your finances, you could be looking good, or something going to be looking good in your life, Scorpio, and people going to be looking at you. I don't even feel like it's one particular person. I feel like people going to be looking at you as you're privileged, okay? You over here living La Vida Loca. You got this new car, this new house, you know what I'm saying? Like, everything seems to be going good for you guys. Yes, look at this change. What I say, new car, new house, okay? So some of you guys, people could be watching you, Scorpio, and starting to feel like you're this privileged lady, okay? Some of you guys, you could be moving. Maybe you're moving to a condo, a new house, a new apartment. You're going to be getting a new car, okay? Or some of you guys, you could be moving away from people, and they're going to be feeling like, oh, Scorpio think they out there because they're doing good. They got this new car, they got this new house. You know what I'm saying? But it's like, no, Scorpio, you just worked on yourself. You had to become more disciplined. You know, you had to think more rational. You had to do some different stuff here in order to get this. So, Scorpio, you got some folks I feel like they could be hating around you, Scorpio. Folks are starting to notice, you know what I'm saying, that maybe you are becoming, you could be the one that's coming this official person, okay? And somebody could be concerned, Scorpio, because they see you got a lot of changes. They see you going through a lot of changes, okay? They see you got this new house, this new car. They're like, oh, shit, Scorpio doing it big. What am I supposed to do with Scorpio now? All right, you guys, that's all I have. If anything resonates, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and stay blessed, Scorpio.